Assalamualaikum and hi. Today we are going to present our multimedia gadget which we choose Samsung 4-door flex refrigerator with family hub.
So the multimedia gadget that we have chosen is Samsung 4-door flex refrigerator with family hub. This is the latest technology for home appliances invented by Samsung Electronics. This smart fridge consists of all elements of multimedia and offers multiple smart and interactive features. So here in this scene, there are several buttons. For example, this one, if we click on this Samsung logo button, it will be directed to the Samsung website. And then this menu button will direct it to the third scene that has several other menus like this. At the below of the scene, every scene, there are two buttons which are previous button and scene button that we can go back to the previous slide and next slide. For example, like this, you can go to previous slide. And this one can go to the next slide. So let's watch the video to show that how this smart fridge function.
Shop, should I take a shot? Sights on the better now or never. Oh, so original. Backfired now, you're shocked. Quiet down if you want to so clever. Oh, so original. Yeah, now let's go. Do you hear me now? Do you hear me now? Do you hear me now?
Honey, door please.
Okay, I'm coming. 1, 2, 3. Speak and talk, talk it out. Do you hear me now? You're so loud, you're something else. Do you hear me now? Let your motor run around, round. So ready, better now than ever. Oh, so original. Back for your set, back the clock. Turn it up if you wanna remember. Oh, so original. One more time, now let's go. Do you hear me now? 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 Speak it, talk it. Do you hear me now? It's original.
Okay, so then we can click on this next button to go to the next scene. Okay, so this smart refrigerator that comes with family hub is actually the heart of every home kitchen. It is because apart from just to store or keep food fresh longer, just like other refrigerator, the Samsung 4-door flex refrigerator with family hub can keep your family organized, prep meals, entertain in the kitchen, control your smart device, and more. Simply say it is more than a fridge. So also can click on this next button to go to the About Us scene. By the way, we can also click on this button to go to the About Us scene. So basically, Samsung Electronics is a well-known brand and is most prominent company in the sector of mobile and electronics. Since they aim to invent technology that can help people, so this switch is one of the technology that is life-changing, especially for the full-time housewife who spend most of their time in the kitchen. With Samsung invented for the flex refrigerator with family hub that features a touch screen interface and the ability to connect connect to the internet through Wi-Fi to provide a number of additional features. Cooking in the kitchen no longer being a boring task. Okay, then we can go to the gallery scene by clicking on this next button, or also using the gallery button at the above of the scene, like this.
So this is the gallery scene. It provides a quick part of the family with Wi-Fi connectivity and Alexa built-in. So it also keeps different foods fresh and tasty in the optimal conditions. Including next entry button, Samsung button where it directed to the Samsung website, about us, gallery, features, and also home button. So next we can go to the next button, which is features button. Other than that, next previous button, we can also go to the features with clicking features button. So this list contains three features which are family, which we can sketch, write and share family messages, entertainment, non-stop music and entertainment anytime, and also smart home, which is simpler and smarter control of your home. We can also click on the family button and it redirected to the family scene. Previous. We can also click on the entertainment and smart home and it will direct it to the entertainment or smart home page.
Okay, next. With Family Hub, your family members can quickly share any important memos, listing any tasks to do, leave instruction, and activity schedules using memos. The home screen will automatically turn on whenever someone comes near the fridge. And it also has a whiteboard app that your children can draw and have fun with the emoticon provided too. And Family Hub also has trivia apps that can inform the latest information, learn new things, and entertain you about any fascinating fun facts without using any pens or paper. Next. The Family Hub can make all your family members stay connected. You can have fun communicating with your family members by sharing news, message, pictures, and video to the family screen and leaving personal notes. And you can also get closer to your family by using calendar apps to share and check the schedules of family members. You can update entries on the fridge or from a smartphone and synchronize the schedules with Google.
With Samsung 4-door flex refrigerator with Family Hub, you can enjoy your moment with chaos in the kitchen because you can connect your devices with your refrigerator. It also have a new features which you can connect your Samsung TV Plus with your refrigerator. For another info for entertainment, you can connect your Samsung device with your refrigerator, which is you can watch your Samsung TV Plus. You can get free TV access with Samsung TV Plus, which is you can miss out your favorite show if you want to watch it in the kitchen. With Samsung 4-door flex refrigerator with Family Hub also, you can keep cooking while watching your favorite shows, which is it can connect it with your Netflix or YouTube. It also can stream your favorite songs with Spotify or your Samsung device.
So for the next features is the smart home. So here is the video of the smart home.
Alexa, play news from CNN.
Hello and welcome to CNN 5 Things. Samsung refrigerator water filter has arrived.
Alexa, play music.
Here's a station you might like. All 2000 trends on Amazon Music.
So basically is smart home is a system that built in with the smart things hub, which is this system can connect to our smart device, and our smart device can control this kind of system. For example is even we are not at our home, we also can control our refrigerator using our smart device. Okay, next. So here is the some info regarding the smart home, which is number one is, as you can see, the first picture is the ring doorbell, which is it connect with our refrigerator, which is if someone ring our doorbell, we can see the person behind the door, which is it will be more secure and safety. Next is we also can view inside our refrigerator, which is if we do some grocery things, it will be more easier in case you need to buy something that we want. Next is we also can make a call and receive a call just using our interface at our refrigerator. The last part is we also can display a weather forecast, which is we can know even if the day is rain, hot, and many more. So that's all the information regarding the smart home.
Go. Lastly is the contact us page. In this contact us page, it has three items, which are phone number of Samsung, Samsung official website, and also Samsung email. So when we click at the Samsung official website link, it will redirect it to the Samsung official website page. Next, when we click at the email, it will redirect it to the email of the Samsung. So when we click at the next button, it will go to the credit page. So that's all from us. Thank you.